stadium today, we've got the Healthy Stadia network, talking about bring people together from all kinds of different sports, all kinds of different environments to talk about how we can use sport and stadiums to deliver healthy outcomes for people.
Today at the Healthy Stadia conference, I'm here talking about our new strategy, which we launched last May, and to give people a bit of a flavour of the insight that we've gleaned in relation to people who are currently inactive, and tell people a little bit more about the funding streams that are available.
In terms of sports clubs and football clubs especially, there's been a huge change in direction in terms of helping to improve the health of their local communities especially. Football clubs have that real relationship with football fans, and football fans who may not typically engage with mainstream population level approaches will engage with a football club, and football fans will engage with a football club because of their sheer allegiance to that football club, and the football brand can help to, it can help with engagement, recruitment, and also help with motivating and inspiring individuals to help change their behaviour.
I think that sports organisations are taking more responsibility for the health and well-being of their fans. We've seen some of that presented at this conference today, and I think we're going to see a great deal more. Why? Well, I don't think it's just because for the social responsibility side. I think they can see that actually looking after their fans means there's going to be a better fan base in the future. And also because there is a change in culture. Organisations like Healthy Stadia are very important in changing that culture, in promoting this kind of approach in football clubs and in other sporting organisations.
I think the release of the sports strategy a couple of years ago, cross-governmental sports strategy, which was then backed up by Sport England's strategy, has really helped governing bodies emphasise the need to kind of change the way in which we approach physical activity. Look at it much more as a health and well-being approach. It's not just about competing, it's not about being the best. It's about being healthy, about getting off the sofa, and about trying to be healthy.
Sports clubs, federations, associations, and also league operators are now starting to understand the huge importance and the role that they can play in terms of improving people's health and well-being, in terms of community interventions, in terms of stadium-based policies, and also actually affecting the health of their own staff as well. I think this is something which is sharply coming into focus, in particular North Europe and West Europe, possibly over the last 10 years, but in particular over the last 5 years, evaluation, monitoring, actual measurement of what impact these programs are starting to have started to make commissioners and policymakers understand the role that sports clubs have in terms of meeting this agenda and improving health outcomes for their nations.